Yeah, Davikas again about Excel. Today we want to look at extracting parts of a text string. We use the functions left function, right function, and main function. Now let's look at this example here. We have this zip 548 blah blah blah. We want to extract the first three letters from digits from the left. So we use the left function. Look, the kind of function we have here. We have left of this the B6. Then we extract 3. So we have 548. Then the next, we have right function. Now we are counting from the right 3. We extract 3. So you say right 3. We have 2, 5, and 8. Then get 2, 5, 8. Then look at this. For mint function, we use the same, but from a given position. So we need to set a position from where we need to take the digits from, to extract the digit from. So we have the in B6, position 7. Position 7, you take 1. So in position 7, you find we have only 5. So if we change this one to 2, we say we extract from position 7, we extract 3. Then you can see it becomes 583, and that is it. But now there is a problem. Suppose the position is not clear like this. That means either of the functions will not work. That will be the thing that will make you now add me in your following group, and then so that tomorrow when I post this, you'll be there to see the next video that I will be posting. I'll be introducing another function that solves this problem.